5 storage solutions for small apartment. 1. Storage for some clothes, please. We all need this storage for the clothes. As you may have a small apartment, you might look for a solution about it. You can try this one. Simply prepare some metal clothing racks and put them side by side in a corner of your house. You can hang your clothes there and even put all of your shoes down the metal clothing racks. In addition, you can organize them based on your own preference. 2. A rolling cart for extra counter space. You can have a rolling cart to give you more space to place some kitchen stuffs. You may have drinking sets and many snacks, but you have nowhere to put them. This rolling cart can help you. You can put your sugar, coffee powder, tea, and even a coffee machine. You can place the coffee machine on the very top cart and some snacks there, while you can also put some of your kitchen sets on the other levels. 3. Over-the-door storage. You can waste any space in your house. A door is not an exception. You can make use the body of the door to hang things. You only need to have some racks and hooks, and you can put anything you want on there. If you think racks are way too heavy and big, you can change it into hanging wardrobe storage or sort of. 4. Ladder storage. Do you have some towels or plenty of scarves? Having many of them can be confusing since they are puffy enough when folded. In addition, your closet cannot store all of them is a big issue. If you have an unused ladder, you can make use of it to place your scarves or towels. You just need to paint it to be a nice side of ladder inside the tiny apartment. 5. Headboard storage. If you were planning to have a headboard for your bed, you might want to add storage inside the headboard. Thoughts cool, right? Well, you can make a simple headboard and give a built-in space there. In this kind of storage, you can store some collections of your books or magazines.